welcome back to Collins Capers. Thanks for watching and another day in Collins Capers land. I've just had another look at my lights and it's beyond me. I've tried everything apart from stripping out the rear inner body to check where the earth is, which is I don't really want to do, but that's really doing my head in. So I need to go to Tony Gloyn's house today in Corby because he wants me to help him with his car battery. But the thing is, I only can go in the daytime because I have to have my lights off. I'm going to have to put it in the garage. There's no ifs or buts, it's got to go in the garage. But let's have a look at this. Look at this. In 1832, on this spot, nothing happened. There you go, there's some history for you on my house in Kettering. So let's come with me and enjoy my day. I just stopped at the United States of America, flew from this airfield at GRAFTON, Underwood, and I just thought I'd try my drone out here at GRAFTON, Underwood. Don't know where we are on here. It doesn't actually say you are here, which would have been ideal to get your bearings. It's quite a spooky place, this. It's been known for vehicles to come along here and then disappear, like jeeps and stuff. But it'd be interesting to do a ghost tube. Shall we try a ghost tube? Let's. Right. Any American airmen here from the war? Ones that never made it back? Ones that never left?
Simple.
The first and last bombs dropped by the 8th Air Force were from aeroplanes flying from GRAFTON, Underwood. Nice. All we've had so far is simple. What does that mean? I'm parked at the red X you can see on the map. help of ChatGPT, and my friends and everyone, I've managed to find the culprit on my lights. I've cleaned the battery connection, I've changed the brake pedal lights, I've changed the bulbs, you name it, I've done it. And the culprit was this. I wiggled the tow bar wire and the brake lights went out. Hallelujah. Now I've just got to work out a way of securing them wires and why it's doing it, but at least I've solved the problem. Happy days.